Okay, now we are at 9.3 manage process. First, we can use grep command, grep command. Okay, it's part of the command. Okay, to find active processes that has genome in the name. Okay, ps dash e. This is the command to show all processes, but we only want to see commands that's with genome. Okay, okay. So these are all processes that starts with genome. We can also use pgrep. Pgrep is to find the pattern with the search string. Okay, search for the specific processes by name. By default, the pgrep command displays the PID of every process that matches the criteria specified on the command line. Okay, so we can specify the pattern. Okay, so for example, pgrep genome. Okay, all the process ID with genome. Okay, or we can use option -L to display the process ID and the name of the process. Okay, pgrep -L. Okay, so we have the process name as well. Okay, so with pgrep we have many options. Okay, other than -L we have -C, -N, -O, -U, -T, -X. Okay, so -C to count the number of the processes that match with the pattern. Okay, pgrep -C genome. Okay, there are 10 processes. -N to display only the most recently created PID that contains the pattern, the word genome. Okay, so process 995 is the most recent process ID that contains the word genome. And then -O to display the oldest created PID that contains the pattern that has the word genome. Okay, so process 486. And then -U, okay, capital U to display only the PID that belong to a specified user. Okay, so we have to specify user here. Student 1. Okay, so these are only the processes ID that belongs to student 1. Let's try with Mimi. Okay, these 4 processes ID. Okay, -T to display only those processes that are associated with a terminal in the term list. Okay, we grab -T space a terminal. Okay, so TTY1. Okay, so processes running in TTY1 are only these 5 processes with this ID. And then -X to display the process ID that match the pattern exactly. So if we say if the pattern we give is genome, so it will find only processes that has the name exactly only genome. Okay, so there's no answer here, meaning there's no process that has which name is exactly genome running now. Okay, 9.4, terminate a process. Okay, sometimes we need to terminate process. Okay, so first is we can use the command kill. Okay, so For example, I have the process rhythm box actually running in the background right now. So I want to kill that process. Okay. ps-e. This is to to list all processes, all running processes, but we want to see only those processes which name is rhythm box. Okay, so we have the ID now 1050. So we kill it. Kill 1050. Okay. Okay. So now we check again. Do we still have the process rhythm box? Okay. So it's already terminated. Okay. So also, okay, now we want to kill, example 2, we want to kill a process, the bash process run by Mimi. Okay, so we grab, okay, by a specific user, Mimi. Okay, so these are the four processes run by Mimi, and then the bash process is 1026. Okay, so we kill 1026. Okay, it's not allowed. Okay, why? Because only owner and admin can terminate the bash process. But what if we want to force killing the bash process? Okay, we grab bash. Okay, so the ID of the process, the, okay, we use -9. Okay, okay, these are all processes in bash. Okay, okay, it's still being used by another process. It's still not allowed here. Okay, a command pkill. Okay, so the syntax is pkill signal pattern name. Okay, so first we find the pattern. Okay, rhythm box is already already killed before this. So let me run it again. Okay, okay, rhythm box is open. Grab rhythm box. Okay, there's a typo there. Okay, the process ID is 1137. Okay, so we click pkill 11 pkill random box. Okay, so if we check again whether we still have it or not, okay, it's already terminated. So what about Firefox? Firefox, okay, there's no answer because Firefox is not run. Okay, example 2, kill all bash processes. Signal 9 force kill all bash process including the current terminal used to execute the pkill command. Okay, we grab bash. Okay, so there are three processes, okay, as bash process. Okay, so can we kill it? Okay, so bash process is already killed, so we don't have terminal running. Okay, so continue in the next video.